Hi! Today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at robots. Transforming vehicles, transform your robot. These are KO, not off, bootleg, fakes, call it what you will, 4th, 5th, 6th party, not legit Transformers. Okay, so they're not by Hasbro, they're not by Takara Tomy, they're just made by whoever wanted to make them, okay? Where did I get this at? The Dollar Store. So if you ask me in the comments, man, where'd you get it? I just told you. The Dollar Store is where I got this at, okay? So this is supposed to be like a little tank. So, yeah. That's what this one transforms into. Just from a tank to a robot and stuff. The size of them is roughly between 2.5 inches to 3 inches. I think in vehicle mode. So, they're not that big. There might be, I don't know, I heard their names got changed, so it's either Transformers Legends that became Heroes, or maybe it was Heroes that got the name changed to Legends. I know there's the small little Transformers. I don't deal with the small Transformers. Usually I deal with, like, the Deluxe class, which is like the standard size, and then once in a while I get, like, the Leader class, which, is like, the bigger ones. But usually Deluxe class is what I buy. So, any little mini Transformers, I don't really know. I do know that their name got swapped and switched, so I don't know if it's Leaders that... I don't know if it's Legends is now Heroes, or if it's Heroes that are now Legends. Like I said, the little scale Transformer figures, I don't deal with at all. I don't buy them. But, like, deluxe ones I deal with, so, yeah. This one, it's smaller than the last one, so probably like, in that legendary / hero, or whatever they're calling their new scale size for the little minifigures now. It's probably roughly around that scale size. So, yeah. On the back, it kind of shows you that there's a PT boat, anti-aircraft, nuclear missile, rocket launcher truck. Yeah, that's a mouthful to say. The tank, and then something that looks like F-14 Tomcat. One thing that I don't like about these is they kind of have like the SirToys.com kind of product feel, where they don't come with any instructions. It's just kind of like, take out the package and figure it out for yourself. And if you can't figure it out for yourself, oh well, you can't figure it out. And if you can, hey, congratulations, you can figure it out. So, I do wish that they did come with some instructions, but these are very, very simple and basic that you really don't even need instructions. So, on that note, they are kind of, like I said, like SirToys.com, because SirToys.com, pretty much any toy that you buy from that website does not come with instructions. Even if you buy like name brand ones like Gat Savers, which I think is like the Gat Space one. There is some Transformers there. There is like some Zodiac Transformer weapons. There's a Legendary Hero, which I've seen a couple episodes. I believe that one is either Chinese or Korean episode series.